The party starts now.
Party starts now. Damn. You shot Scotch whiskey.
Good actor morning, Amard.
Oh,
What a healthy breakfast.
hi, how are you?
Those are our
My leftovers from the vortex. The coronary heart attack, what do you call it?
bypass. So we are making a quick pit stop to say hi to a mutual friend. One of my friends from New York, Will Schuler, is from here, and he helped found Serenbe Playhouse. And he used to live with this woman that we're about to visit.
Here we go.
Wah wah. She's not home.
I mean, they have Wi-Fi at the pool too.
Oh, they do? The Serenbe Inn pool. Take 2 of trying to say hi to Phyllis. Don't hate me, but I always try to go here whenever I'm close to one. Cracker Barrel, Old Country Store. Amard, I'm about to hop in the shower. I'll see you on stage. You won't be Amard anymore. You will be the engineer.
I will be the engineer when you next see me. Oh my gosh.
All right.
See you there.
Break legs, dude.
Enjoy the show.
Just left the house and now I'm walking over to the venue. I am very excited to finally see this show tonight.
All the little things I wanted to say, I really wanted to do, girl, this time.
We're at intermission right now, and the show is really awesome. And everybody's really good. Amard, you're doing amazing. I'm so proud of you. But I'm so excited for Act 2 and the real helicopter that I'm going to see. Yeah, can't wait to see the rest of the show. Amar left his backpack backstage, and his shirt is in his backpack.
Never wearing a shirt. Hi, Chris, that's me. I don't have a shirt.
Amar forgot his shirt.
I forgot my shirt. What'll I do? Someone took it. Oh no!
Mystery solved.
Amazing. I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you.
Reunited with the shirt.
Thank you, Hal.
We're back at Amar's place. The show was so good, Amar. I'm so proud of you. And now we're gonna head to a party, but first I have to pack. And look who's on FaceTime. Veronica Yeager. Wave hi. Hey. Amart is so good. You are gonna love him. I know you already do, but you're gonna love him even more.
I do love him.
Oh, we're on.
We are on. Pre-game, right?
You shot Scotch whiskey. Eric Medike just shot Scotch whiskey.
Am I not supposed to? I'm supposed to sip it?
It's a sipper, but it's okay. You can shoot it. Well, he leaves in 4 hours. His flight leaves in at 5 in the morning or something.
This is the plan tonight. Before I get too drunk, we are pre-gaming here. We're gonna go to that party, and then I'm taking a lift to the airport.
You guys got your sandwiches?
This was one hell of a way to finish out my trip
Hell of a way.
to Serenbe. Next stop, San Diego. And the vlog.